All right, this is the second question. The second question, factorization of quadratic expression. Second question says, factorize 2x squared minus 7x minus 30. And just like we did the first time, this is your A and this is your C. Your A is 2, while your C is minus 30. So you multiply 2 by minus 30. It's going to give you minus 60. That's the first step. Now, what are the factors of minus 60? Now, 1 times 60 gives you 60. 2 times 30 will give you 60. 3 times 20 will give you 60. 4 times 15 will give you 60. 5 times 12 will give you 60. 6 times 10 will give you 60. Now, of all these combinations, which one of them will give you minus 7x? No matter how you combine it, you remember this is different from the first one where you had just three combinations to choose from. This is 6 combinations, so you have to be very careful how you do your combination. The combination that will add up to minus 7, that will give you minus 7x, is 5 times 12, or which is plus 5 minus 12. So plus 5 minus 12 will give you minus 7. So you can say the same thing. You can say plus or you say minus 12x plus 5x will give you minus 7x. So we've been able to identify the combination or the two numbers when you add them together that will give you minus 7, and it is minus 12, not minus 2, minus 12. So minus 12x plus 5x will give you minus 7x. So you rewrite your expression, this expression, the expression 2x squared minus 7x minus 30. You will substitute minus 12x plus 5x for minus 7x in the expression. So you are going to have 2x squared. Instead of writing minus 7x, you write minus 12x plus 5x, and then you bring in minus 30. So we've been able to do that. Now the next is to factorize by grouping. 2x squared minus 12x plus 5x minus 30. You group it into, separate it into two separate expressions, which we've been able to do here. Please, when you are grouping, or when you want to try to factorize by grouping, ensure you combine numbers that can easily be factorized. Look at this place. We could have said 2x squared plus 5x minus 12, but when factorizing, we can easily factorize 2x squared and plus 5x. So that was why we wrote 12x first before we wrote plus 5x. I hope you understand that. So we had 2x squared minus 12x plus 5x minus 30. Factorized by grouping now. Now you have 2x squared and 12x. What is their common factor? 2 can go in 2x squared. 2 can go in 12x. So you bring out 2 first. X can divide 2x squared without leaving a remainder. X can also divide 12x. So we have 2x. So you can see the common factor of 2x squared and 12x is 2x. So you have 2, we cancel 2 here, x, we cancel one of the x here. So you are left with x, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 6. X cancels x. So you have x minus 6. That's why we have x minus 6 here. So we have been able to factorize this. So this is 2x, open bracket, x minus 6. Then you have your plus here. What is the common, which factor is common to 5x and 30? So 5 can divide 5x. 5 can also divide 30 without leaving a remainder. So that is why we have plus, then you have 5. 5 is the common factor of 5. This 5 is a common factor of 5x and 30. So that's why we have 5 here. So 5 cancels 5. You have x is left here minus, then you have 5 here, 1, 5 here, 6. X minus 6. So you've been able to factorize like that. So let's complete the factorization. Like I told you in the former video, the moment this and this are the same, you pick just one of them. So you have x minus 6, you close your bracket, and then you combine what you have here with what you have here. So 2x plus 5. So we've been able to complete our factorization. Thank you so much.